Well, this is the wood lathe I've been working on. This is the motor out of a Craftsman table saw. The table part got screwed up, so I was able to salvage that. Ordered the chuck. Ordered this one. Got it on the piece. Welded all this up. Got the crank. Got that done. Got some legs welded on. This piece right here actually come out of the bed of a truck that was made to hold gas bottles, to be able to lay them out for the wires side the road. I know y'all have probably seen some of these tanks that sit beside the telephone poles. That's to put gas into the lines to keep moisture out of them for some of the wiring. But I was able to take this and convert it into a table saw, or I mean not a table saw, but a wood lathe. So like I said, I got the legs are made out of the legs. All this stuff is bed frames. Got a 1/8 inch thick piece of steel there. Got the safety switch in. That way I can pull that out if I'm not running it. But I'll turn this thing on. And I got the Harbor Freight piece here. But that's my wood lathe. The only thing I got to do is make my little hand rest to go in here on this slide bar that I added in. And then this right here is held on by these pieces here. And that's about it. Pretty simple. And I think it's going to work really good. But just a little small project from Bare Metal Forge, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. Thank you.